Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about sending feedback to Microsoft regarding things you like or do not like about Microsoft Word or any Office application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab, go down and select Feedback at the bottom of this list, or near the bottom right above Options. And where it says I like something, go ahead and select the send a smile. If it's something you don't like, send a frown. So go ahead and make your selection. And then at this point, go ahead and enter into this field either what you like or don't like, depending, of course, on your reason for leaving feedback. And you can also include a screenshot as well, if you choose to do so. And you can also include an email if you wanted to be contacted about your feedback, potentially. And then you would just submit your comment, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.